In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to create a reliable reminder so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open Pipedrive and head to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Activities. This is the hub for all your upcoming work: calls, emails, follow-ups, and tasks. You'll see a list in the center of the screen showing what's due today, what's coming up, and anything that's overdue. Think of it as your to-do list, organized by time and type. At the top of that list, look for the plus icon. Click it to add a new activity. This opens a simple form where you'll set up the reminder. Keep in mind, you're not just creating a note, you're scheduling something you want Pipedrive to surface at the right time. So filling this out clearly will make your day run smoother. Start by giving the activity a clear title. Use action words so future you knows exactly what to do, like call to confirm proposal or send follow-up email. Next, choose the due date, and if there's a time option, pick a time that best reflects when you actually want to take action. Setting a time helps Pipedrive notify you more precisely and keeps your day organized across the Today, Calendar, and Activities views. Now choose the activity type. This is important because it categorizes your reminder and displays the right icon in your list. If you're setting a general to-do, pick task or deadline. If it's communication related, choose call or email. Selecting the right type also improves your reporting later, since you'll be able to see how much of your day goes to each kind of work. Add any helpful notes in the description field. Keep it concise but informative. Things like context, quick bullet-style points, or a paste of a key sentence. This way, when the reminder pops up, you don't have to hunt for details or switch tabs to remember what needs to happen. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new activity will appear in the Activities list, sorted by due date, with the correct icon and color cues for urgency. From here, you can come back to mark it done when you complete it, or edit it if plans change. And that's all it takes. Click Activities, hit the plus icon, fill in the details with a due date and the right activity type, then save. Keep your titles clear, your dates realistic, and your notes short. Do this consistently, and Pipedrive will keep you on track without the guesswork.